Good morning, here from Italy, Earth Measured, Michele Vassallo speaking. I want today to continue my videos about the Earth being flat. We have spoken the last time about the magnetic field of the Earth. We have seen that here we have a magnetic basin that produces a magnetic field of a basilar magnetic field that then is enhanced by the water, the salted waters that generates another magnetic field. We will see that this has influence also over winds. Yes, because we have to deal with the winds, how they move over the flat Earth. Science states that winds moves over the globe due to the Coriolis force. They move this way, and so on. And this bending of the air is due to the force of Coriolis. The Coriolis force being the force generated by the rotation of the Earth around its proper axis. But we have seen till now many times the fact that the Earth is completely motionless and it is flat, and we have considered many proofs in this direction. So we are sure that if it is true that winds move that way, and we believe that it is true, we know that it is not due to the Coriolis force, to the rotation of the Earth around its axis. So we have to consider how this is possible, and we can consider the fact that winds generates because there is a motion of air from a high pressure point to a lower pressure point. There is an attempt of the air to equilibrate the situation. How the low pressure point is formed? By high temperature, because in that point where temperatures are higher, the air goes up and then is attracted to the point of high pressure, then gives again air to the low pressure, so we have a circuit like this of the air. But how low pressure points generates? We have a high temperature, so we have the sun, the motion of the sun that generates these low pressure points. So over the flat Earth we have a situation like this, where the sun moves around the Earth over the Earth, and so puts in rotation the air due to its motion. So we have cyclones and anticyclones that rotate in a different direction in the northern part of the Earth or in the southern part of the Earth, because in the middle we have the sun that moves toward west always. So it warms the air that is attracted higher and then attracted again to the higher and lower temperature points, and we have thus the sun that rotating bends the air, the winds over the Earth. So we have not a Coriolis force. We have to highlight also the fact that the winds are influenced by the magnetic field of the Earth that we have analyzed till now. In fact, if you make a little research about the position of high pressure points of the wind over the Earth, you will see, for example, that an high point is here in July, but also and always here near Brazil in January. So we have a high pressure point where the magnetic field is weak. Probably you remember from the last videos the fact that there we have the South Atlantic anomaly. So we have the magnetic field of the Earth that is weakened because we have a column under there, a column that is sustained in the mantle of the Earth, and there the water under the Earth is turning and making greater the magnetic field, but where the column is, there we have a weaker magnetic field, because we have to remember that the salted water, the motion of the salted water, enhances the magnetic field. So we have an influence of the magnetic field also on the formation of the winds that are rotating around the amphidromic points. Do you remember what amphidromic points are? They are points where tides are zero, because under the mantle of the Earth there is a column. Okay, so we have described also this aspect about winds. I hope it has been clear. If not, you can write some comments below. If you have not done till now, please subscribe to my channel, and please comment if you like it. Bye bye. Ciao.